Chooch, can I ask you a question?
Mama,
Chooch, can I ask you a question? Chooch, can you say something for Mommy? Can you say happy Valentine's Day? Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Chooch, do you know what love is? What is love? What happens to your heart when you're in love?
Pippa.
Yeah, your heart goes pitter-patter, pitter-patter?
Yeah.
Does Mommy love you?
No.
What? How do you know Mommy doesn't love you? How do you know?
Virgin?
How do you know?
No virgin?
Are you saying that to tease Mommy?
No.
Does Mommy love you?
No.
What? Are you saying it to tease Mommy? She's gonna come get you, you know. She's gonna come get you. She's gonna come get you. She's gonna come get you. Yeah, tickle. Does Mommy love you?
No.
What? She's gonna come get you for saying it. She's gonna come get you. Does Mommy love you?
No.
What? I adore you.
Daddy too?
Daddy too? She's gonna get you also. It tickles, of course it tickles. I love you, Chooch. What did Mommy just say? Does Mommy love you?
No.
What? 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 I love you, Chooch.